everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to draw a strawberry dipped in chocolate. This is very easy and I'm gonna guide you through this. And here I'm just making the outline of the strawberry, so I'll see you guys when I'm done with the outline. So now I'm gonna start by the leaves. So I'm gonna take these 4 shades of green. So there's light, and then slightly darker, and an even more darker one, and then there's the darkest one. So the main ones are the first 3, and the darkest one is only for a little bit of shadow at the top and the bottom of the leaves. So all you have to do is first take the light green and move it in vertical motions in the direction of the leaf in the middle. So now you have to do that, what I told you, in all of the leaves. You have to repeat the process, and then I'll tell you what to do next. Now I'm gonna take the slightly darker green and I'm gonna do it above the light green and like shade it with the light green that we did in the previous step. When you are done with the blending of the 3 shades of greens, you are gonna take the darker green and add a slight touch of it to the bottom and the top of the leaf, like you see me doing in this scene. You're gonna do that to all the leaves as well. When you are done with the leaves, now you're going to take a middle type tone of brown. It's like a yellowish reddish brown I have here, and you're going to do it in some of the highlights. You can see it in the reference image. So if you open the reference image, you're going to see it there and you'll know what I'm talking about. So it's like a light brown in some parts of the strawberry, the chocolate part of the strawberry. So I'm just making that now. So now you're gonna take a dark brown and you're gonna basically outline almost all parts of the strawberry. You can just check in the video when I'm doing it that which parts have to be outlined and which have to be done with a thick outline and a thin one, and the middle of the strawberry from some parts it's outlined, or like some parts there's that dark brown color. So you're gonna go ahead and do that, and very lightly. Do not press too hard in the beginning of any color. Even when we did the greens, you did not have to do very dark in the first step. Only do it while burnishing. Okay, so now you're gonna take a lighter brown and you're just gonna do it in all parts of the strawberry that are left, like all parts. And you're also gonna overlap it on top of the darker brown that we did, because it is part of the burnishing or the blending process. After this, you are gonna, like, after finishing the lighter brown parts, you are gonna do the darker brown again in the areas where it has to be done. Like, you're gonna do it all over again, but this time a little darker, and then you're gonna do the light brown again, the dark brown again. Finally, it's gonna get blended in the final step. Like, the final time you're gonna do it, it's gonna get blended. Now you're gonna pick out all the red shades that you have. So I picked out 2 red shades, and like, it was, one was orangish red and one was pinkish red, and the other one was red, plain red. They do look orange in the camera, but they're not. So after that, you're gonna take a black color and you're gonna draw the seeds. If you want to, you can draw them randomly, but you have to keep some things in mind, like don't draw them too close to each other and don't draw too many seeds in one place. And yeah, so, but if you don't want to draw randomly, you can look at the reference image and draw accordingly. So that's it, and then I'm gonna tell you what to do with the rest of the strawberry. When you're done with the seeds, you're gonna take the orangish red, or you can say the light red, and you're gonna do it all over the strawberry. Now I am gonna take the pinkish red color and I'm gonna do it all over the strawberry once again. And again, don't press too hard, just do it very softly and slowly. Don't press too hard, it's gonna ruin your drawing. After that, you'll see me picking up a white color and just basically doing it all over again, all over the strawberry again, because I'm using the white to just blend out, or you can say using white to smoothen them out by filling the white gaps in the middle, and that is gonna help a lot in making the strawberry look way better. Sorry, my recording stopped at that point because the storage in my mobile phone finished, but all I did was the white part, and then I used the dark red to add some shadows, and now you're seeing me add the highlights. So you're gonna add the highlights with anything you have, like a jelly roll or whitener or anything. I'm using whitener because my jelly roll doesn't work on top of these colored pencils. It doesn't leave that white gel on top of the colored pencils. I don't know why, but yeah. So I use whitener. It works equally as good. Then you have to do something to the seeds using the whitener and a dark red color. I'll tell you that when I'm done with the highlight. The seed part isn't that hard. All you have to do is just outline the seed with the whitener, just some of them, not all, and then you're gonna add some random dots and stuff, and in some areas random wiggles and lines according to the reference. So all I did in this scene was that, and then your drawing is finished. Just do your signature and that's it. Now what you have to do is just take a dark brown and do the same exact thing you did with the whitener. Outline some of the seeds halfway through, some of them fully, some of them quarters way through, and add random squiggles and wiggles, and that's it. If you guys are still here and still watching the video, thank you all for watching this video and giving me some of your time, and I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something new.